Think you know rare British classic cars? 94% of people fail this quiz. Test yourself and see if you can beat the odds. Let's see if you can ace this. Round 1. Options. A. 1968 Triumph Herald. B. 1964 Hillman Imp. C. 1967 Ford Cortina 1600E. D. 1962 Morris Oxford. Answer. C. 1967 Ford Cortina 1600E. Round 2. A. 1969 Vauxhall Viva GT. B. 1963 Riley 1.5. C. 1966 Ford Zephyr MK4. D. 1968 Singer Vogue. Answer. A. 1969 Vauxhall Viva GT. Round 3. Options. A. 1965 Sunbeam Alpine Series 4. B. 1968 Reliant Rebel. C. 1963 Austin 1100. D. 1966 Daimler V8 250. Answer. A. 1965 Sunbeam Alpine Series 4. Round 4. Options. A. 1963 Alvis TF21. B. 1966 Wolseley Hornet. C. 1964 Gilburn GT. D. 1969 Triumph Vitesse. Answer. D. 1969 Triumph Vitesse. Round 5. Ford Corsair. Which car is this? Options. A. 1968 Hillman Minx. B. 1963 Armstrong Siddeley Star Sapphire. C. 1967 Ford Corsair. D. 1964 MG Magnette. Answer. C. 1967 Ford Corsair. Round 6. Rover P5B Coupe. Any guesses? Options. A. 1968 Hillman Husky. B. 1965 Singer Chamois. C. 1963 Austin Cambridge A60. D. 1969 Rover P5B Coupe. Answer. D. 1969 Rover P5B Coupe. Round 7. Options. A. 1967 Gilburn Invader. B. 1966 Austin A35 van. C. 1965 TVR Griffith 200. D. 1963 Triumph TR4. Answer. C. 1965 TVR Griffith 200. Round 8. Options. A. 1968 Vanden Plas Princess. B. 1964 Daimler Majestic Major. C. 1967 Triumph 2000. D. 1965 Jaguar S-Type. Answer: B. 1964 Daimler Majestic Major. Round 9. Options: A. 1964 Turner Sports Mk3. B. 1966 Bond Equipe GT 4S. C. 1963 Ginetta G4. D. 1969 Marcos Mini GT. D. Marcos Mini GT. Correct. Round 10. Options: A. 1968 BMC 1100. B. 1965 Austin Healey Sprite MK4. C. 1963 Bond 875. D. 1969 Wolseley 1885. Answer: A. BMC 1100. Correct. That's the end of the quiz. Drop your score in the comments and let's see how many rare British classics you could recognize.